Hi everyone, it's Dutch Wonderland. Today we're going to teach you how to make a reservation. First thing you gotta do, open up our website and select RSVP. You will then see two options, either tickets or season passes. Select the one you like and hit next at the bottom of the screen. Next, all you gotta do is enter your ticket or season pass number. Today we're doing our season pass number. Hit next when you're ready to go. You'll see a calendar of all available dates. After selecting the one you want, it'll show you what's in your cart. Once you're ready, hit checkout at the bottom of the screen. It'll then ask for your royal information. Fill your name and a confirmation email address as well as some other info to make sure we can get you your reservation. Hit continue to see a summary of your reservation. Double check all your details and when you're ready, hit complete your order. After your reservation is done finalizing, it'll give you the option to assign it to individual guests. Type in a first name and a last name and you can guarantee that you're ready to visit the park. Oh, we almost forgot. There's one last thing. You can review your receipt or even save your reservation to your Apple Wallet. We're so excited for another season here at Dutch Wonderland and we can't wait to see you. Have a Dutch wonderful day.